Let's search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features to Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and check for Roblox game client. Make sure it should be enabled in both private and public, both Roblox and Roblox game client. If it's not having, means no problem. We can easily add it by using Allow another app. Click it. Click Browse. For easy method, come back, open file location, copy the address in the top side you have for the software, copy the address, come back, browse it and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. You can click and add it. So I already have, so I skip it. You need to add like this both Roblox and Roblox game client, and make sure it's in private and public. Once complete, after close it. And the next, you need to search for run and type the following text: %local app data %/Roblox. Click local storage and delete the files inside the local storage. Click logs, delete the files, entire log files. Come back. Click temp capture storage and delete all the files inside it. Once completing these three things, come back. Now you need to search for CMD. Right click it, run as administrative, and type the following text: ipconfig /fresh DNS. Click enter. And the next, you need to type netsh winsock reset. Click enter. netsh int ip reset. Click enter. At last, check all the things are perfect or not, and at last exit it. And the last and final steps, go to settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset the network. Click reset now. It will reinstall all your network adapters. Thank you.